Imagine a land, rich with history, at the crossroads of continents, cultures, and civilizations. This is the story of the Palestinian peoples, an intricate tapestry woven over the centuries. Our journey begins in the Bronze Age, around 3,000 years ago, in a region known as Canaan. This land, nestled between the Mediterranean Sea and the Jordan River, was home to a diverse group of people, collectively known as the Canaanites. These early inhabitants laid the foundations of what would become the unique Palestinian culture. Fast forward to the 7th century BCE, the region saw the rise of the Kingdom of Israel and later the Kingdom of Judah. However, these kingdoms were short-lived, and by the 6th century BCE, the region fell under the rule of various empires, from the Persians, Greeks, Romans to Byzantines. Each left their mark, shaping the region's cultural, political, and social landscapes. As we move into the 7th century CE, a significant shift occurs with the advent of Islam. The Islamic Caliphate established its rule, and the region, now known as Palestine, became a vibrant center of Arab and Islamic culture. Though the Crusaders temporarily disrupted this era, the Ayyubids, Mamluks, and later the Ottomans ensured the region's return to Islamic rule. The Ottoman era, which lasted from the 16th to the early 20th century, was a period of relative peace. However, the winds of change were blowing across the region. The end of the First World War saw the decline of the Ottoman Empire, and Palestine came under British control. The 20th century was a time of monumental change for Palestine. The Balfour Declaration of 1917 endorsed the establishment of a national home for the Jewish people in Palestine, leading to increased Jewish immigration. This period witnessed rising tensions between the Jewish immigrants and the Arab Palestinians, culminating in the 1948 Arab-Israeli War, after which Israel was established. The following decades were marked by conflict and displacement, fundamentally transforming the Palestinian landscape. The Six-Day War in 1967 further expanded Israeli control over Palestinian territories. The late 20th and early 21st centuries have been characterized by ongoing negotiations, intermittent conflict, and a continued quest for Palestinian statehood. The Oslo Accords, the Second Intifada, and recent events continue to shape and redefine the Palestinian narrative. In sum, the history of the Palestinian peoples is a complex and multifaceted tale, marked by periods of prosperity and peace, as well as conflict and change. It is the story of a people deeply rooted in their land, a land that has been, and continues to be, a meeting point of civilizations. This rich history, spanning thousands of years, forms the backdrop to the ongoing Palestinian narrative, a story that is still being written today.